Welcome to the ultimate clam chowder, because that's exactly what we're going to make. Basically, what prompted me to write this recipe, I just got tired of going to restaurants and being disappointed. You see clam chowder on the menu, or they say, oh, our soup special is a clam chowder, and you get it, and you're just disappointed because it's watery, it's bland. You know, you see like one or two little clams in your whole big bowl, and you're like, this is supposed to be clam chowder. Like, what the hell's going on, right? And I just got tired of it. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to write my own recipe for clam chowder. I want clam chowder, I'll just make it myself. The clam chowder recipe is in. You got it. The best in your kitchen. If you have not got this book yet, please make sure you pick it up. You can order it through Amazon if you want. Really cheap, 20 bucks, over 150 recipes. And you know by now the quality of my recipes are top-notch, tried, tested, and true. So please, please, please buy 1 or 10 copies. I'd really appreciate that. You can also order it from chefdes.com. Let's go with the clam chowder. So we'll get all our prep done first, then we'll start cooking. But first, before we even start, I have a question for you. What makes a chowder a chowder? There's one defining ingredient. Potato. Thank you. Who said that?
Really?
Yeah, that's right. Potato. I mean, that is the divine ingredient. If it doesn't have a potato, you can't call it a chowder. However, you could have a potato soup. Why is it called a soup then if it's potato in there? Who knows? But that's your defining ingredient. If you haven't got potato in there, you can't call it a chowder. I mean, there's no law against it. They're not going to come and arrest you or anything. But in the chef's world, that's your defining ingredient.